मारता हूँ तो रिंग बना देता हूँ.
So this is actually the pipe welding, and it is total mechanized. The job is in rotating position and torch is at the stationary position. Actually, this is the hyperfield welding process, and with the help of gate pendant we are doing the hyperfield.
Hyperfill STT और hyperfill process.
Okay,
Hyperfill.
so all the hyperfield you can do here. The STT is the surface tension transfer.
Hyperfill.
Hyperfield you can do in this. Main thing is one is that there is single power source you can see, and there is single wide feeder. But main advantage is that with the help of single wire feeder you can use the two different wires, pull two different wires are coming here with the help of this, and through the single torch two different wire is coming. There is only one wire feeding systems. So through this torch the two wires are coming, and due to the two wires there is a high deposition rate in this. Even at high travel speed you can get the good sidewall fusion, also good depth of penetration. So this you can visualize here. There is the two different wires are coming with the help of the same single welding torch and same single contactive. There is two holes in the contactive. From there two wires are coming, and there is big droplet forms in this due to that very high deposition in this hyperfield welding process.